Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2007 to 2021 Tundra. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer's safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift your truck and support it with stands. Move any fuel or brake lines aside, then remove the fuel tank. Step 3. Use a 14mm socket to remove the factory bolts. If they are rusted, rounded off, or broken, cut them out and clear the bolt holes. Step 4. Grind the work area down to bare metal, then spray it with weld-through primer. If the frame rail sections where this crossmember installs need repair, do so now. Step 5. Align the brake line bracket on the crossmember and weld it in place. Step 6. Apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Align the crossmember using the factory bolt holes. Insert the included spacers on the top brackets. Use the included M10 hardware, a 14mm socket, and a 15mm wrench to bolt the crossmember in place. Finally, reinstall any removed lines, then reinstall the fuel tank.